Stop scrolling. This is the MacBook Pro M5, and today we're doing something Apple never talks about. We're unboxing it and pushing it through a real gaming test to see if the M5 is finally a laptop you can game on. Apple says the M5 is all about performance and efficiency. But the real question is, can this thing actually replace a gaming laptop for casual or even serious gamers? Let's find out. Inside the box, classic Apple presentation. MacBook Pro M5, the braided MagSafe cable, and the compact power adapter. No surprises, but that space black finish? Still one of the cleanest designs in laptops right now. Picking it up, it's thin, solid, and premium. Same 14-inch chassis, same mini LED display, same ports, but what matters is what's inside. This model is powered by the Apple M5 chip, featuring faster CPU cores, a stronger GPU, and improved memory efficiency over M4. Apple's been quietly leveling up graphics every generation, and M5 is where things get interesting. We're running macOS 2026, fresh out of the box, no tweaks, no external cooling. Alright, gaming time. First up, Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Running at 1080p, high settings, smooth gameplay, stable frame rates, and no sudden drops. The fans kick in, but it stays surprisingly quiet. Next, Resident Evil Village. This is where Apple Silicon usually struggles, but on the M5? Very playable, no stutters, solid performance, and the GPU is clearly stronger than last general. And for something competitive, CS2. High refresh feel, responsive controls, and way better performance than you'd expect from a MacBook. And the craziest part? The laptop barely gets warm. No, this isn't replacing a dedicated RTX gaming laptop. But for casual gamers, creators, and people who want one machine that does everything, the M5 is the best MacBook for gaming yet. Apple is getting closer. Very close. So what do you think? Is the MacBook Pro M5 finally powerful enough for gaming? Or are you still waiting for the M5 Pro or M5 Max? Drop your thoughts below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.